Deadlines are fast approaching for those organizations transitioning to the recent 2015 update of ISO 9001. As part of this transition, organizations will now have to demonstrate how they have incorporated risk-based thinking into the monitoring, control, and improvement of their processes and suppliers. For many organizations, the biggest challenge will be finding a suitable software solution that can facilitate this transition with minimum disruption to their existing business systems and processes. Compliance Master enables organizations of all types and sizes to create a highly rigorous, yet affordable risk-based quality management system. Features include the continuous quantitative risk monitoring of processes and suppliers, an easy-to-read risk performance dashboard, risk-based product and service quality control, and risk-based monitoring optimization, transparent risk reporting, inbuilt scientific analytics, and a full online audit and approval trail. Unlike other software solutions, Compliance Master uses proven ISO statistical auditing and inspection methods to quantitatively assess and control an organization's non-conformance risks. As outlined in this example, provided product and service non-conformance risks fall within an organization's specified limits, they are assessed as acceptable. Conversely, should they fall outside these risk limits, they are assessed as unacceptable. This highly rigorous, yet simple to understand approach to operational risk assessment enables organizations to accurately assess and monitor the effectiveness of their process controls, all from the convenience of a single software solution. Compliance Master facilitates effective non-conformance risk control by first calculating the optimal number of products and services to be sampled for each audit or inspection. Non-conformance data is then entered into an online checklist, which can be accessed from any internet-enabled tablet, laptop, or PC. Once the required sample data has been collected, the software analyzes the results to determine what user-specified protocols are needed to control non-conformance risks, or improve process and supplier performance. In this example, we can see how the acceptable risk protocol can be used to approve products for their intended use, accept products and materials from external suppliers, or approve payments to external service providers. Conversely, if the software determines that one or more of the organization's risk limits have been exceeded, it will produce an unacceptable risk protocol. Depending on an organization's risk context, this might include instructions to carry out a more rigorous inspection of the products and services being assessed, followed by their rework or replacement. This highly rigorous approach to risk control ensures an organization's response to unacceptable product and service non-conformances is always consistent, fair, and in proportion to the assessed impact on the organization's goals and objectives. Another powerful feature of Compliance Master is its ability to continuously evaluate the risk performance of each process and supplier over consecutive audits and inspections, and to assign it an objective performance rating, which is displayed in an easy-to-understand dial format. As we can see in this example, provided a process or supplier consistently achieves or betters an organization's specified risk limits, most of the time, it will be assigned a good performance rating. Should it achieve or better these limits, all of the time, it will be assigned an excellent performance rating. Conversely, should it exceed these limits, most of the time, it will be assigned a poor performance rating. Individual process and supplier performance information is then aggregated and displayed in a series of user-friendly performance dashboards and configurable reports. With Compliance Master's easy-to-follow performance dashboard, board members, top management and other stakeholders can quickly identify where an organization is most risk-exposed, and understand the extent of that exposure. With this information always readily at hand, an organization's limited resources can then be quickly directed to those processes most in need of risk control improvement. The software can also be used to monitor the effectiveness of these improvements over time. With a simple click of the mouse, or a tap of the screen, process owners and suppliers can objectively benchmark and compare their performance against the organization's risk targets. They are also able to identify the causes of unacceptable risk performance, and work more collaboratively with other stakeholders to ensure they don't reoccur in the future. They can also take advantage of the software's full audit trail, to view individual audit and inspection results, auditor and inspector comments, attached documents and photographic evidence, product and service approval and rejection details. Another benefit of Compliance Master's powerful statistical sampling engine is its ability to continuously optimize auditing and inspection efficiency. This is achieved by adjusting the level of rigor applied to each audit and inspection, in accordance with changes to a process's or supplier's performance rating. For example, the sample size requirement for a process switched from a good to an excellent performance rating will be automatically reduced for its next audit or inspection. At the same time, the user-specified protocol associated with this switch can also be configured to initiate a reduction in audit and inspection frequency. The opposite applies when a process or supplier is switched from a good to a poor performance rating. This dynamic risk-based approach to process and supplier auditing and inspection is far more efficient than conventional static and ad hoc sampling methods. It not only avoids the likelihood of costly over-auditing and inspection, it also ensures an organization's limited monitoring and control resources are always focused on its processes and suppliers with the highest risk exposure. Significant benefits now await those organizations seeking to create a new quantitative ISO risk-based thinking paradigm. The methods and technology exist, all that remains is for you to take the next small but important step. Call us now or visit our website to organize your free no-obligation consultation and trial of the world's most advanced risk-based auditing and inspection software.